DJ Moto, and I'm back heading out here to the park to do a little bit of running with my new nitro truggy, my Tekno NT48.3. I've been offline for like 2 weeks because my dad's been visiting. Say hi, Dad.
Oh.
And so he's gonna come out and run this thing with me. So let's see what it's all about. We'll get a little bit of footage of it, and it is for sale for $2,200 if anyone's interested. And yeah, but I don't think anyone is, so I'm just gonna hang on to it. But it looks really nice. I got it all blinged out, so let's have a look. Sorry that it's been so long since I've made a video, but I'm gonna be right back at you, and I am gonna be racing this thing, but I'm only gonna race it on tracks like Flowwood, NT World, Mike's Hobbies, and I forget the other one. NT World, did I say that? Anyway, I'm gonna race it on indoor high bite tracks that aren't dusty, so it doesn't get dirty and it stays beautiful. And anyhow, I'll talk to y'all later. Getting her nice and warm with the ProTech engine heater. Mr. James Briggs told me to heat it up for 2 cycles of 10 minutes. It has that auto timer on it, so I'm just running it direct off the 12-volt battery. And then I also hooked this XT90 up to my charger, and I run it off the power supply at like 11.1 volts and I think like 6 amps, and it works out perfectly. Got all new fuel line, some sweet blue bling. One Up Racing, I believe, makes that. Put a little bit of the blue fuel line on here for my tank pool. Let's get her fired up. Runs like a pit bull. Whoa! That was weird.